Hello friends, I am making this video to explain the uploading process for handwritten answers for our mid-semester exam. So you can install any scanner app. I am having Adobe Scan. So I open the app and we go to the home, and here is the start new document. So we go to document mode and this is my first page. This button is auto capture on or off. So I am keeping it on, then I capture the first one, and you can see if the boundaries are not matching, you can rectify the boundaries, and if it is blurred, you can retake also. I go to second, keep your hands in stable position, it will be a very nice scanned image. Go to next and keep arranging and flipping the pages, and you will be able to scan all of them. Boundaries are fine. We go to next, and this way you continue. If you need to rectify the boundaries, you can do that or retake, and as many pages you want, you can keep doing that. So I have taken this, so one more. So I think I have captured around 5 or 6 pages, and let me take one more. So right, and one final capture. Okay, adjust the boundaries. If it is little blurred, you can retake also. We continue, and here we have 7 pages. I go to this bottom link. I can rename my document. So the name which I want to give, if your exam course instructor is suggesting something, you suggest or you write any relevant name. So I have given my name and click on save PDF. So it will save it as PDF and it will upload on cloud also. This is the we can say disadvantage in Adobe Scan, but other scanner may not have this feature. So they will just simply save it on your device. So you have to go and click on more and say device copy also. Now my PDF is saved and it has taken me around 2 minutes. Now I'll go to Moodle. I'll go to Moodle again, and here we go to Moodle. Have to log in, and I go to my respective course, go to the submission link. Here is the submission link, and I change my role to a student. I have already submitted something. I can say okay, remove the previous one and edit submission. You will get add submission. As a student, you will get add submission. Click on this choose file and browse the location. Okay, browse the location. In my phone it is saved in under documents and Adobe Scan. You should know where, and see, there were 7 pages which I scanned and only 2.78 size. So 8 MB is more than enough for your complete mid-sem. Use any scanner app, it should be more than enough. So PDF is visible, it is uploaded, and click on save changes. We have taken around 3.5 minutes with all the explanation involved. I think 3 minutes should be a good enough time to do this. Practice it 2-3 times. This submission link, which is mock drill slot for submission link, is open for all, and you can try as many times. So there should not be any problem, and thank you very much.